Rachel. I volunteer at the Money Advice just downstairs, and I do this because I'm at university doing a health and social management degree, and that is very important to work with the community, and that's the type of thing that I'd like to do in the future. It gives me, for one, we had to do a certain amount of hours at university working with the community, so it's given me an opportunity to pass my degree. Second of all, it allows me to meet a wide variety of people in some vulnerable situations, which is invaluable and can help me in my future career development. And overall, it's just an enjoyable experience. I think it's very important to get a glimpse into what you might want to do in the future. You get to be part of a team. It's good for yourself, as you get, there's such a wide range of nice people here to work with, and they're all very supportive, and I've heard that it's a good experience if you're looking to get into work as well.